Eco-friendly footwear through 3D printing sounds great, until global markets face the reality check. 1. Cost barriers. Sustainable materials and advanced printing technologies come with a hefty price tag, making affordability a challenge for many markets. 2. Supply chain gaps. Global adoption struggles as many regions lack the infrastructure to support widespread 3D printing and sustainable material sourcing. 3. Consumer perception. While eco-friendly is trendy, convincing traditional consumers to embrace higher prices for sustainability isn't as easy as it sounds. Sustainability isn't without its hurdles. Explore the journey of eco-friendly footwear at 3dshoes.com.